XPEV is trending. This is Tuesday, the 11th of November, 2025, pre-market session. Intraday high, $27.96. It's just printed a gain of 6.72%. Okay, so the stocks there, the shares are trending as investors grow increasingly optimistic about the company's expanding footprint in both EV and AI sectors. The spotlight is on the company's cutting-edge effort in robotics and autonomous mobility, including its highly publicized humanoid robot prototypes and ongoing development of robotaxi technology aimed at redefining urban transportation. Recent updates have highlighted the company's strong delivery numbers, signaling resilient demand and effective execution despite broader market challenges in the EV space. The performance has strengthened investor confidence, particularly as the company accelerates its international expansion into key markets such as Europe and Southeast Asia, where it's positioning itself as a global smart mobility leader. Within the trading community, discussions center on the company's dual innovation strategy, leveraging robotics and AI to enhance vehicle intelligence, while also creating new revenue streams beyond traditional car sales. Many see this as a bold step toward an ecosystem that merges intelligent machines, autonomous mobility, and smart cities, potentially giving the company a unique edge over competitors like Tesla and BYD. As enthusiasm builds, sentiment across investor forums and social platforms remain upbeat, with some traders eyeing the stock as a long-term play on the convergence of EVs, AI, and robotics sectors that could collectively shape the future of human mobility and automation. Okay, yeah, this is so far the pre-market session. Okay, not much shares have crossed the tape so far. Okay, so let's have a look and see what we have. This is its 4-hour chart. This is reflecting what is going on right now. This is reflecting that 6% gain. Yesterday in the regular session, it gained 16.15%. So here we have the extrapolation is saying that it might just consolidate up till Thursday, up to the close of Thursday's trading session. Then after that, might contract this expansion that happened. Yeah, this expansion that happened the whole of Friday the 7th and yesterday the 10th. So the contraction is expected to play out from the close of Thursday's trading session. That is Thursday the 13th. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. So in the interim, it's expected that it's going to trade within this area here, this area formed by the extrapolation of its 3 period moving average and the 40 period moving average. It's expected that it's going to trade within this space. And then after that, it might be something else totally. It might be something else totally. So, yeah, yeah, that's it's expected to trade within, but it could also, defy the extrapolations and even move to the upside. Okay, so currently projections are currently saying, let's see what we have, 23.87. It's a downward projection. Previous projections read 25.22, 26.28, 26.94. Okay, it has already moved beyond those. So we have 27.96. Let's have a look at its daily chart. We may find some projections there. Okay, so we have here, let's see what we have. Okay, 28.62, 27.47. Okay, on its daily chart, yeah, it got today's extrapolation correct. You can see here, this is for today, the 11th. It is saying that it's going to be high. It's going to be up today. It's going to add some gains today. Yes, it was saying today is going to be an up day, and that is what we have. Okay. However, okay, the it's saying here up to Wednesday, it's going to remain strong. Okay. There's a world where it could still align with what we have on that daily chart, and then after that, it may go into a contraction. I think there is some alignment here. and the 40-day moving average is expected to be a serve as a primary demand line. It's expected that that will kick in by the 25th of November. No guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, so yeah, it has some support if that turns out to be the case from its 40-day moving average. Underlying trend strongly bullish. Let's see whether we can find even more ambitious projections. Let's have a look at its weekly chart if there's anything there. We've already seen 28.62. Here we have 28.13. Okay. Here we have even more ambitious projections, 32.15, 38.25, 42.05. Yeah. But there's still a gap between the current levels and the $32. Yeah. We could just quickly glance at its 1 minute chart to see if we can see anything here. 26.47, 27. Okay. Let's we can't see anything here. Let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. 26.47, 25.93, nothing here. Ambitious. 3 minute chart. Let's see what we have. 26.01, 26.47, 26.76, 26.71. Okay, let's have a look at the 5 minute chart. 27.54, 27.35, 26.69. I think we've seen already the one we saw on its daily chart. But outside that, we could even still try and calculate. All we can do is take this 27.96 and then we subtract 27.21 from it, 27.23 from it. So we will have roughly 0. We'll have 0.6 0.63, 0.63, yeah. Sorry, 0.73, 0.73. Not a lot, not a lot. It's just going to give us an incremental projection, but yeah, at least it will help us fill up the gap between the 27.96 and $32 we saw on the weekly chart. So that's going to give us let's see what we have again. Yeah, okay, 0.73 cents. Okay, multiplied by 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. Okay, have 1.18, add that to 27.77. So we have 28.95. Okay, yeah, just slightly above the one we already have. Okay, so we try again. 0.73. So make a note of the projections. 28.95. Okay. 0.73 multiplied by 2.618, we have 1.911. Add that to 27.77, we have 29.68. 29.68, okay. 0.73 multiplied by 3.618. Add that to 27.77, we have 30.41. Okay. So yeah, we can stop here. So we have further upper projections of 28.95, 29.68, 30.41, and indeed there are other projections from around there, $32. We have them here on the weekly chart. Let's see, we have $32 here. Yeah, let's see. Here we have weekly chart. Strange. I believe I saw $32. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We have it here. We have them here. We have 32.15, 38.28, 42.05. Yeah. Okay. Just see what you make of XPEV, and thank you very much for watching this video.